Oh, I just started recording.
No way!
Yeah,
Like the whole thing was not recorded?
I think so.
This time we went to Bueng Bua Nature Observation Center, which is shown as Bueng Bua Wood Boardwalk on Google Maps. It is part of the Thung Sam Roi Yot National Park in Prachuap Khiri Khan province and requires a ticket to enter. This can be purchased at the entrance. This place is open daily from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. The Thung Sam Roi Yot National Park ticket gives you access to Phaya Nakhon cave, which is the highlight of this national park, Bueng Bua Wood Boardwalk, also known as Thung Sam Roi Yot, Khao Daeng viewpoint, Kaeo cave, and Sai cave. Tickets cost 200 baht for foreign adults, 40 baht for Thai adults, 100 baht for foreign children, and 20 baht for Thai children. Keep in mind that the tickets are only valid for a day, so you should start early to cover as much as possible. You can also take a boat ride here for 500 baht for up to 4 people per boat. Here, there is a small local restaurant you can have a Thai meal. There's plenty of parking space and the boardwalk is right across the restaurant. Unfortunately, we were only able to access the first 50 meters of the boardwalk as the remaining part was under renovation. As we walked, we were surrounded by colorful lily pads and lotus flowers with the massive limestone hill as the background. Aside from the restaurant, there are also small shops selling Thai snacks and there is a public bathroom. The staffs here are friendly, polite, and helpful. There is also a lovely small lake with benches we can sit on to relax.